Welcome to Scooter Style and Noosa motorcycles. As you can see, we have a huge range of Vespa, our Royal Enfield motorcycles. We have our Sim, Kimco, Peugeot, Italjets, a whole range of bikes and scooters. Here's Charlie, and electric bikes as well. For the road, bike license, car license, you name it, we have it. And here's the team. Here we go, guys. E-scooters as well.
Yeah.
Here's Rose, our parts department. And at the back here is where the magic happens when we're working on your bikes. Hey Remy.
Hello.
Hey Chris.
Hey.
So come and see us at Scooter Style and Noosa Motorcycles, 16 Rennie Street,
Noosaville.
Noosaville.